Hey guys, today we're going to talk about Unit 7, Lesson 7, 7-7. We are going to be finding the surface area of pyramids. Yesterday we talked about finding the surface area of prisms. They are different. Okay, so pyramids have triangles on all of as the faces. Okay, you can have a triangle bottom or you can have a square bottom. So in order to find the surface area of square pyramids, you need to make sure, or pyramids in general, you need to make sure that you know how to find the area of a triangle and take into consideration how many triangles are in a pyramid or in a prism. Okay, so one way to do that is to draw a net of a square pyramid. Okay, you'd have your square here as your base, and you would fold out your triangles like so. Okay, so you'd have your net laying face down on your paper, for instance. Okay, so you would need to find the area of the base, which is a 3 by 3. It is a square. So 3 squared, or 3 times 3, equals 9. Okay, and take a look at the triangle. It has a base of 3 and a height of 5 here. So 3 times 5 is 15. And then when you divide that by 2, you get 7.5 inches squared. Just like when you find the surface area of a prism, you are going to add all those areas up, and taking into consideration that there are 4 triangles here that made up this pyramid, add them all up and you would get 39 inches squared. Okay. Another way, because the side lengths at the base of the perimeter are all equal, you can use the formula. Surface area equals the base plus n times a to find the surface area. All right. Where B is the area of the base, okay, so that would go there. You're going to add that to the number of faces times the area of the triangular faces. So you would take whatever the base is, plus, you'd have to figure this out first because it's in parentheses, plus there are 4 faces times an area of 7.5. You figure out this portion first inside the parentheses. That would give you 30, and then add that to 9 and you would get 39. So very simple if you understand surface area of prisms yesterday. I want you to pause the video and try to figure out the surface area of this square pyramid here. The height of the triangles, notice, is 8. The base looks like it's a 6 by 6. You can use the formula. You can draw out a net. I am not one to condone nets, but you can draw one if you'd like. I'm not saying that you have to. So go ahead and pause the video, and then I will type in the answer as soon as you press play. Okay, the answer then, let me find my text here. Oh, do I not have text? I have drawing. Okay, the answer down here would have been, I cannot type it in, unfortunately. The answer would have been 132. I'm not going to draw it either. 132 centimeters square. So hopefully you got that answer correct. I'm going to pause this real quick. Oh, no, I got it. Okay, looking at example 2, now we have a triangular prism, or pyramid, sorry, where we have a triangle on bottom here, and where we have a triangle on bottom, so we have to find the area of the triangle, and all of these will have the same area as well. Okay, you have to take the base times the height here to get the area of all the triangles. Multiply that times 4, and you would get 43.4. Remember, you find the area of a triangle by finding the base times the height and then dividing that by 2. Okay, I want you to pause the video. How about, instead of filling in all the boxes here, just figure out the surface area of this triangular pyramid. Okay, the answer came out to be 28 meters squared. So hopefully you got the answer right there. 28 meters squared was the answer. Okay, I'm moving on to the guided practice here. I'm going to give you a chance to practice. I want you to look at questions 8 and 9. 8 and 9 only. You're going to complete the net at the right to find the surface area of the triangular pyramid. The faces of the pyramid are equilateral to the triangles. Okay, so you have the dimensions here. They want you to put those dimensions or the areas in the appropriate boxes and find the surface area. So pause that and go ahead and do the video, or go ahead and pause the video and do your work. The total surface area of number 8 in that triangular pyramid was 561.6 millimeters squared. 561.6 millimeters squared. Okay, each of these areas came out to be 140.4 millimeters squared. Okay, so hopefully that was good practice for you. And that's the end of 7-7. We will extend this lesson tomorrow.